Is he interested? Is he not interested? Does he like you? Does he not like you? Today, we're going to reveal 10 red flags that lets you know if he is not that into you. Hello, lovely. Welcome to my channel. My name is Amanya. I'm so happy that you're here today. It is an honor to speak with you today about this very important conversation. It's a conversation that we don't normally have. So today we're recognizing when a man is just not interested in you romantically. We've all been there, hoping that someone will reciprocate our feelings, only to be left confused by mixed signals or unspoken truths. My goal today is to help you avoid unnecessary heartaches by identifying the red flags that show when a man's just not into you. There are signs that may be difficult to really accept, but they are here to protect and they are here to help guide your heart and making room for the love God has truly prepared you for. So I have 10 red flags that's going to help you navigate this ship to know, is he really into you? Is he really interested in you? We're going to find out. The first red flag that a man shows when he is just not interested is this: one, he is inconsistent in his communication. One of the clearest signs that a man is not interested is inconsistency. He may text or call sporadically, disappear for long periods of time, or respond with short and disinterested messages. A man who truly cares about you will be consistent. He will want to hear from you and will make an effort to stay connected. If he's unreliable or only reaches out when it's convenient for him, that's a sign that his heart is not vested in it. Remember this truth: when a man is interested, he will make time, not excuses. Keep that in mind. He will make time for you, to be with you, to spend time, to grow and nurture the relationship. The second red flag that reveal when a man is not interested in you is this. Point number 2, he doesn't prioritize spending time with you. Time is one of the most valuable gifts he can offer. If a man repeatedly cancel plans, avoid making commitments, or only wants to see you at the last minute, his actions are speaking louder than his words. A man who values you will prioritize spending time with you. He will plan ahead and be intentional about building a connection. Don't settle for anyone who treats you as an afterthought. You deserve better. You really do. The next red flag that reveals when a man is not interested is this. Number 3, he avoids defining the relationship. If you've been spending time together for weeks or months and he avoids conversations about where things are headed, it's a major red flag. A man who is serious about you will not leave you guessing. He will be clear about his intentions and will communicate his desires for a committed relationship. Vagueness, hesitation, or the infamous "I'm not ready for anything serious" lines are often signs that he's not interested in anything more than a casual connection. Ladies, Don't let your heart get entangled in something like that. Clarity is respect. Clarity about what he wants to do with you is a sign of respect. Let him be clear. Okay? Next point, red flags that reveal when a man is not interested. Point number 4, he shows more physical interest than emotional connections. Beware of a man whose primary interest seems to be physical attraction rather than emotional intimacy. If he is quick to pursue physical affection but slow to show genuine care in reference to your thoughts, your feelings, your dreams, it's a sign his focus is not on building a meaningful relationship. True love grows from a foundation of friendship, respect, and shared values. It's not just about chemistry or physical attraction. Beware. Hello, lovely. So glad that you are enjoying the content. And so, if you're finding value here, please like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel for more, and don't forget, share it with another sister. God bless you and keep you. The next red flag that reveals when a man is not interested is point number 5. He talks about other women. If a man frequently brings up other women he finds attractive, discusses his ex, or share stories about his dating life, it's clear signal, right? It is a clear signal that he does not see you as a romantic prospect. It's disrespectful and it's rude. A man who is interested in you will focus on you. He will not focus on other women. He will not risk losing your trust by making you feel just like one option amongst many. He will make you feel special because you are special. So do not let a man use you in this way. No. When he talks about other women, that's a no-no. Another red flag that reveals when a man is not interested is point number 6. He makes you feel uncertain or anxious. A healthy relationship brings peace, joy, and a sense of security. If you find yourself feeling anxious constantly, over analyzing his words, or unsure of where you stand, it's a red flag. God's design for love is not built on confusion. 1 Corinthians 14:33 tells us, "For God is not a God of confusion, but of peace." If a man's behavior leaves you feeling unsettled, it's not worth reevaluating whether this connection is God's best for you. There is peace when you are in the right relationship with the right man. God designed it that way. No friction, no animosity. It is peace. Red flags that reveal when a man is not interested. Point number 7, he doesn't include you in his future plans. A man who sees a future with you will talk about it. He will include you in his plans, share his goals, and seek your input on important decisions. If he avoids conversations about the future or makes plans that doesn't involve you, it's a sign he doesn't see you as a long-term partner. Pay attention to whether he envisions a life with you or a life without you. These are the moments, these are the telltales that tells you where you are, if he's interested, if he sees you in the bigger picture in his life. Red flags that reveal when a man is not interested. Point number 8, he is not consistent with his respect. Respect is the foundation of any healthy relationship. If a man belittles you, dismisses your opinions, or behaves differently when you're with each other, when other people are watching, when you're in public, it's a serious red flag. A man who truly cares for you will treat you with respect in public and in private. Anything else is unacceptable. You have to accept that if he really respects you, he will treat you the right way in front of other people. Red flags that reveal when a man is not interested. Point number 9, his actions and his words don't align. Perhaps the most telling red flag of all is when a man's words don't match his actions. He may say he likes you, but if his behavior shows different or lack of effort, believe his actions. Words are easy to speak, but actions reveals the truth. If he is consistent, let if he consistently lets you down or makes promises that he doesn't keep, it's time to move on. Actions speaks louder than words. Red flags that reveal when a man is not interested. Point number 10, and probably for me, the most important point of them all. Point 10, he does not lead with integrity or spiritual guidance. For those of us who seek relationships rooted in faith, a man's spiritual leadership matters. If he doesn't prioritize his relationship with God, avoid prayer or discussions about faith, or fails to demonstrate integrity, he may not be the partner God intends for you. The right man will seek God's guidance and lead with his wisdom, humility, and love. That is the best part of the relationship, is knowing that this is a divine um, communication with God, that he is bringing the two of you together to create an umbrella, to move forward, to do the work, to be in a godly relationship. So yes, if he does not lead with spiritual guidance, he may not be the man for you. In closing, lovely, it can be painful to recognize when someone is just not interested in you in the way you hope that they would. But remember this, rejection is often God's direction and redirection. It's his way of protecting you from settling for less than his best. You are worthy of love that is clear, consistent, concise, and intentional. Don't waste your precious heart on someone who leaves you confused or feeling less than valued. Trust God's timing. Guard your heart with wisdom and never be afraid to walk away when the signs are clear. When the red flags are there, do not be afraid. to walk away. Lovely. Thank you for taking the time with me today to share these great points with you. May you walk in confidence, peace, and an unwavering knowledge that God's plans for your love story are greater than anything you could imagine. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and share this with another sister. God bless you and keep you, and I will see you in another video.